we're going to go ahead and take a look at example 1 about Adriana writing a textbook for high school students. And so we are going to look at this because she's writing a textbook. We know it's going to be a royalty payment. Royalty payments are actually going to be super easy to calculate. So we're going to look at all the information that we need here. She receives a 10% royalty, so you're always going to want the percentage when you're looking at that. And that 10% royalty is going to be based on total sales of the book. Total sales of the book is going to be calculated off of its price and the number of copies sold. And so they gave us that information as well. The book is selling for $47.95, and it sold 17,000 copies last year. We want to know what her royalty payments were, rounded to the nearest cent. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this out. I'm either going to do 10 out of 100 in my calculator, or if you want to just do that ahead of time, you're going to write that out as 0.10. That's helpful. Okay. All right, guys, my parentheses aren't working, so we're going to use an X for multiplication because we are going to just multiply all of these values together. So 10% becomes 0.10. Then we are going to look at $47.95, which is the price of the book, times the number of copies sold, which was 17,000. So when I multiply all of those three values together, I am going to go ahead and get my royalty payment that she is owed. So I'm going to type that in on my calculator, 0.10 times $47.95 times 17,000. And it looks like what Adriana is going to earn in royalty payments for the year is $81,515. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Her royalty payment is 81,000, and I already don't remember what was on that screen, $515. It says rounded to the nearest cent. So since there's no pennies on that, if there's no pennies, you could go ahead and write it as 0.00. If there's no pennies given, then and you write 515 and you forget the 0.00, I'm not going to take points off of you for that. But all you'll need to do on these royalty payments is multiply everything together. Just don't forget to convert the percentage.